Surah Al-Sharah, the expansion. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 8 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألم نشرح لك صدرك
Did we not open your chest for you?
ووضعنا عنك وزرك
And we have lifted your burden from you,
الذي أنقض ظهرك
which had weighed heavily on your back.
ورفعنا لك ذكرك
And we have raised your remembrance for you.
فإن مع العسر يسرا
So indeed there is ease with hardship.
إن مع العسر يسرا
Surely there is ease with hardship.
فإذا فرغت فانصب
So when you finish, strive in supplication
وإلى ربك فارغب
and incline only toward your Lord.